So recently, as obviously you're aware, you joined our Autotask Workplace Partner Program,
Yeah.
and I guess looking to understand what led you to Autotask Workplace as your file sync and share solution.
So before that, we were actually with another competitor. We were using their on-premise product. And as we started to look at migrating out of our own data center and getting back up into the cloud with it, their product didn't allow us to migrate the data with us. So that opened us up to looking at all the other competitors out there. Autotask, you guys had just bought Sooner, and we're launching Autotask Workplace, and so it was a prime opportunity.
So, great solution. Now, how do you expect to roll it out? How are you rolling it out to your client base?
Primarily, we're rolling it out as a bundle in our entire managed services suite. That allows us to really package it in there well and present it as a complete solution to our customers. We're also working with MindMatrix under Autotask's provisions to do a standalone campaign or a point solution campaign. And not only has just a marketing plan with it, it has a provisioning plan, it has a way for us to manage and present this all to our customers. So it's a good complete package coming from Autotask that really kind of set us off on the road to it.
Yep, very good. We've got a bunch of tools in there. I know partners taking advantage of marketing email campaigns, white papers, ebooks, really good stuff. To kind of get into new accounts, do you see Workplace going in as an individual solution in that case?
We've been marketing in that direction, and for us it's really much more successful bundled in with everything else we're selling, but it is a differentiator there over some of the other competitors that are out there. The management capabilities, the Autotask Workplace Manager allows us to provision clients very rapidly, provision new users very rapidly. The capabilities within the product are very, very user-friendly. The co-branding allows them to present their image to their customers when they're sharing documents with them. Exactly. We brand every deployment for our customers, so it has their logo on it.
Well, you mentioned Workplace Manager. Another couple of key things we hear from partners is the integrations built into Workplace Manager. Are these integrations helping you at all?
Yep, they tie it right back into Autotask for the billing, and it works very well for us. We can, as end users provision new users, we see it show up in Autotask billing for us.
So nice simplified billing. I mean, part of the unified platform right now. So obviously, Autotask partners or customers would make great partners, and that integration seems to make it work for you.
Works very well.
So any other ideas or thoughts you could share for the partner community out there, or folks looking at Autotask Workplace?
Well, what we really love for it is the centralized management of it. Really brings the control back in for the customer themselves instead of the classic sharing a password, and if somebody leaves, you have no control over the data. We're actually able to forklift replace some file servers in some cases where we've created a folder share from the file server, and then the file server goes away. And everybody who's remote just has direct access to the data wherever they are, whenever they are. The integration with Office 365 and Google Docs means that anybody with a browser can edit their documents anywhere.
Tell me about deploying Autotask Workplace. What's that like?
It's a seamless process. Either we provision the client in the portal, and they get a welcome email, and then they will download the Autotask Workplace desktop agent themselves. We're also able to push it out silently through our RMM tool, and that enables us to update it on a periodic basis as well.
Any particular features of Autotask Workplace that resonate with your client base more than any other?
The ability,
maybe even with you, in fact.
One of the things that really is resonating very well with one of our larger clients on the platform, which is a CPA firm, they're able to create connections for their clients. This CPA firm does on-site audits, and not only are they able to actually get real-time data back in that their audit managers can review instead of the traditional go back to the hotel, VPN in, upload the files. All the data is happening real time as they save documents. They're also able to create connections to their clients and allow the clients to upload documents into their audit files as well.
Yeah, great feature, sharing with third parties. One of the keys to file sync and share. You mentioned something about you had your own data center and you were running file sync and share out of it. Well, why did you stop running your own data center? What made you want to move off of that into the cloud with Autotask Workplace?
So there are two primary reasons we wanted to move out of our own data center. One was just risk for data. We wanted to make sure that we had good backups, we had good availability, as a good true SaaS offering would provide, and scalability was another issue. We simply couldn't scale up to the level we wanted to.